Today's video is about driving fails, mistakes, how to not drive, and bad drivers. As always, there's a bonus video at the end. Driver showed signs of intoxication, had multiple DUIs, and slammed on his brakes after cutting me off. Dashcam footage won the case. Birmingham, England. This is why BMW drivers are hated so much when you get drivers like this. She tried to claim it was my fault. Cops wrote her ticket after watching the video. Her insurance tried to only cover $5,000 in damages. I fought them and they covered $15,000 in damages and $10,000 for loss of use. Took almost a year, but finally got my truck back. Front and rear dash cam saved me. Mitsubishi driver doesn't seem to know what lane to turn from.
What's wrong with you?
Red truck can't choose a lane.
哦呦！我操！我操！
妈，
那个是顶着走，被他顶着开着走，你知道吗？
没看到啊。
哦，他居然没事，还在那里，你看。哇塞！哦呦呵，这么危险！哎呀呀！
Bad driver tries to occupy my lane.
Pull over. Pull over. Oh, shit.
Driver didn't look both ways before crossing.
So fun to watch your siblings getting beat up or like slapped. I remember watching my mom slap my other sister.
This video was created for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only. Feel free to leave your comments under the video.
Going through these stories.
In the bonus video, what are your thoughts? Write in the comments. Legendary lightning fast and perfect 7-point turn out of a no parking zone. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.